Are you guys ready to ride the train to the Wild West with SMG4, all of his friends, you guys, and me? Well, let's get on with the intro and let's get started. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris, aka DJCJ2, and in this video, we're on the second episode of the Puzzle Vision series. I'm going to be making a playlist of the whole entire series that I'm reacting to, starting from the first video that I recently reacted to the end of Puzzle Vision. So right now, we're going to react to Ready to Ride by SMG4. And then the next day after I'm done with this, reacting to this video, we're going to be reacting to Western Spaghetti, the actual movie. So, without further ado, let's start reacting.
This is so nice.
Okay, it starts off in a train ride.
Oh.
Okay. Mario feeling bored. Okay. Ooh. Meanwhile, Maggie feels excited, not gonna lie.
Hours to the west!
Yep.
Are you really sure One Shot Ren is out there? He has to be! He has to be! Okay.
Okay. Wait, Luigi seems frozen.
Gee, it sure is boring around here.
Hurry up already.
Luigi's still frozen!
Fine.
Mario.
Bene, pure metà na prosciutto, dai duro.
Huh. Something's off with
Trust me,
Luigi.
Tori. When you see One Shot Ren in action, he's going to inspire your soul!
Okay.
Ooh.
Shot Ren.
Very
Did he fall off? Oh my goodness! Mario's trying to roast Maggie by One Shot Ren. Oh my goodness, bro.
No, he didn't fall off, Mario!
Say, I'm hungry. Have you got any food?
No! Oh, there's a food cart a few carts down. They'll have food. I better make sure Mario doesn't eat the entire cart.
Okay. Meanwhile. Okay, there are the other characters. Oh, Mario hasn't seen these guys in a while.
Hiya, guys! Hey, Shroomy. What you been up to these days? Potato!
Potato!
Yummy.
So good you can eat them all!
Wait. Hold up.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so probably in the movie, there's gonna have something to do with a potato. And there's probably gonna have a saying right there.
Yummy.
So good you can eat them all!
That saying, so good you can eat it raw. Can you actually eat potatoes raw? Because normally potatoes are cooked. Either mashed potatoes, fries, potato salad? I don't know if you can cook a potato for a potato salad. Let me know in the comments if you think potatoes can be eaten raw.
Alright, well, we'll see ya.
What are they gonna do? Oh, Beyblade battle! Oh! Man, this train car is so much better than ours.
Come on, Mario.
Okay. Trying to make sure the area is secured. Oh, wait! 2 bodyguards guarding the cafeteria.
What are you looking at, Poco?
Food! Oh, man. Oh.
Potato.
The laws of the train say no one in the food cart till lunchtime.
Oh.
And boy, I am the law.
Oh, yeah.
Chris, did you hear me? Did I sound cool?
You sounded very cool, swag.
Hem.
Are you serious? Oh! That's the battle to enter the cafeteria. Oh, baseball! First badminton or I don't know what. Probably badminton, then baseball, then toxic waste, and now racing. Like the Formula One. Aww. Maggie.
Come on, Mario. Let's go. We'll just come back at lunchtime.
Oh, you want food? Wow. Ooh, potato.
Look at all that food.
Bob, why are we being so sneaky?
Because both kids.
We are gonna have us a little feast.
But Bob, can't we just ask him nicely?
Yeah.
You greenball sack. No one in this world got what they wanted from being nice. It's all about taking what's yours.
Jeez.
Oh man, I don't know about this.
Okay, it seems normal.
Holy crap.
Okay. Pull out a gun. The whole crew! The whole entire crew pulled out their guns! Because Bob and Bookins are stealing Shroomies potatoes! Oh no! Bob and Bookins are dead! Definitely dead!
So, what in them my spuds, huh?
See? I told you this was a bad idea, Bob.
It was him. He made me do it.
Don't blame it on Bookins!
Yummy.
Wait. Mario got away for stealing Shroomies potatoes? And they were only focusing on Bob and Bookins? The bang, bang, bang with the kitchen gun.
Kitchen gun! And it sparkles like new!
Okay.
Get in my belly!
Operas ko ng barangay ko naman ng teatro naman. Toro naman tayo sa Luigi!
That's Luigi, okay.
Tuna na sa nato na.
Mighty dandy.
Okay.
Okay. Maggie thinks that Luigi's just messing around. But wait, where is Tari?
Huh?
Huh.
Again? You piece of shit! God damn it.
Whoa, can you stop doing that?
Okay. Maggie's trying to find Tari.
Tari! Huh?
Oh my goodness! Shotguns! Oh, the Wild West style! Oh no! How's Maggie dodging the bullet? Potato bomb. Hello.
Tari?
This here lass came in here not very evil like.
Not very Yukon like. Okay, Tari,
Tari,
does it seem okay?
Are you okay? I feel like something's off. Something's really off.
I think I also feel that too, because Luigi seems frozen. Like that. But then later on, Luigi went all yeehaw! Like, he had a cowboy hat on, and for some reason, probably everyone else in the next train acted like they were in the Wild West. And then, that's definitely off, and Tori also felt that something's off. Every time you might see me wearing a hat like this, I have to have my headphones like that because, the hat is too wide. Not gonna lie. What? Lie? I just did a rhyme. Okay, enough fooling around. I gotta get this reaction ready for the series.
What? What do you mean?
I don't know. I don't know.
So Tori doesn't know something's
You must be getting
off?
train sick. Just wait here. I'll get some medication right away.
Okay. Now the whole entire car's wet Wild Western.
There's a snake in my boot.
Even more?
Guys, stop! I need to find the medicine room!
Guys, look! I found some dynamite on the train.
It's gonna explode!
Huh?
Wait, what? Uh-oh. Something's off.
Hello?
Wait. All of them are frozen! Just like Luigi at the beginning of this video.
Come on, guys. Quit it.
Oh no.
Mickey?
Oh, Tori! Thank God! Everyone's frozen!
What?
Wait, what? Everything seems normal.
Oh, wait, but they were just... Come on, Mickey. Why don't we take a nap? This train ride is making us a little loopy.
But... Yeah, you're right. We've got a big adventure ahead of us. Better get some shut-eye.
Okay. But Tari knows something's off. Huh. Okay. Go to the bottom of the description. Let's see what's the bottom of the description.
A few moments later.
Huh. Garry's Mod. I don't have that game. How much is Garry's Mod cost? $9.99 for Garry's Mod? No thanks, I'm good. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. In the next day, I'm going to be reacting to Western Spaghetti. Stay tuned for that. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.